How are you doing? What's going on, DIY Mama Tribe? What's up, my naptime warriors? This is Mama Shira. Welcome to the tribe. Glad to have you with me today. So guys, I don't know if you've ever been in this situation, but I would like a large statement piece in my dining room. It's like this big tall wall. If you saw my stripes video, that's the room that's in. So it's got gold stripes on it, but now it needs artwork because honestly, the gold stripes are just background for me. So I have this interesting scarf, but it's a big size, but it's a odd shape. Like there's no frame that's, you know, made in this shape, not like readily made. I guess you can get one specially made, which would cost a lot of money, which is why I'm gonna show you today how to kind of get around that. I'm gonna build like I can't even call it canvas. I'm gonna say an artwork frame, but basically I'm showing you how to hang this scarf up on the wall. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So here is the scarf that I'm working with. I would like to say that maybe that's a 24-inch square or a 36-inch square. But I am going to use this Baby Gate box that you saw me use for my baby's first birthday decor. I cut the word one and a faux hula hoop wreath out of that. But I'm going to use the other side of this box to make kind of this scarf into like a gallery wrap canvas. So like a gallery frame. It's not exactly framed, but it's going to look like a gallery wrap canvas. Anyway, so I'm measuring it out, making sure that it's the right size, and I'm just cutting the sides off of the box. So just all of those little pieces on the side, I'm cutting it down because we're going to glue them back on just in a more sturdy way, but I need to cut them off first. If you do this project with a smaller box, then just measure out the parts that you need to cut off. And I just made sure that my scarf still fit. And now I'm gonna trim, just make sure all of those sides that I cut off are nice and straight because I need them to be straight to glue them back. And I'm flipping this over because I want the side without print to be the side that's directly up under the scarf. And I'm just taking hot glue down just the edge of that, and I'm pressing it against the edge of the main piece there. Of course, do not glue it down to your cutting mat, as I learned. But I'm just going to go around all the sides, gluing the edges of this box back on, just in a way more sturdy, way straight way, because that's how I got it to stand up. And what I found here is that if I went back in and kind of glued along the crease like caulk, then that made it even more secure. I was also able to use like the flaps that naturally occurred on the box to wrap those around and hot glue them to the corners. So like you see that edge, that flap there. First I'm going to glue the edge down, then glue it on the crease like caulk, and then I'm going to take that flap that is just a part of the box, and I'm gonna glue that down to the corner. So this box is going nowhere. Like it's gonna hold its shape for what I'm using it for. So once I have my box all together, or my gallery wrap faux canvas, now I'm going to put the scarf down over it, and I'm just making sure that it's straight and centered the way I want it. And the first thing I'm gonna do is glue just a dot in the center of each side. And then I'm gonna go back and glue all of my edges down along the box edge. This is what gives it that gallery wrap feeling. And of course, once all my edges are down, I flip it over and get the corners pinned down. So first I hot glue down the center of the corner piece, fold that, and then glue that entire little triangle down to the box itself. Kind of like a present. And there you have it. Guys, that's it. I made a box to look like a gallery wrap for canvas for my scarf, and then just hot glue the scarf down to it. As simple as that. Of course, if you rather use like a lightweight piece of fabric, that will probably work as well. You could probably do all kinds of shapes because you control the shape of the box or the frame that you cut, as well as, you know, the size. There are a lot of possibilities with this one. I'm very happy with it. Here it's just hanging in my craft lounge, but I'm going to put it up when I get more of my other artwork done. So, pretty easy, right? Are you gonna go now, like start cutting up cardboard and hanging scarves all over the place? I mean, there are so many interesting scarves with pretty patterns. Like, it's just another way to have artwork on your wall, just in, you know, a little bit different medium. And you can get cute scarves at the Dollar Tree as well. I'll probably link some of those below because they're pretty cute. So if you like this video, I would like for you to give it a thumbs up, please. Please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you join the tribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.